There you go. Yeah.
Here, then here.
Yeah. Yeah. Sounds good. We'll meet you around, okay? I like that one. I think it's all photos of Yosemite.
No, also one person.
All one person?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't even look.
It's
William Neal. Oh, this one's all William Neal.
Yeah, all of it.
All you this one?
Yeah.
Oh. Maybe William Neal set up the museum.
I'm thinking about that. I know.
Oh, this is when they had the fire. I know you're not. Yeah, it's okay. Oh, here you go.
See the socks? Aren't they cute? Reminds me of Laura.
40 years of study reveals much about the intricacies of California's native plants and the role they play in our ecosystem.
Maybe bored. Maybe bored. Yeah. I can tell my baby's bored. Vote for your favorite. Huh? Blanket. There's only one sheet left. Oh, that's kind of a neat one. Oh, I like this one. Oh, that one's cool too. That's pretty. Hmm? Okay. Oh, we're gonna follow my wife. So quick, jeez. Oh, third floor. Arts and activities, third floor. Oh, sorry. How close be on that point? I don't think there's much else beyond this point, my love. I don't know.
And then this with egg.
Oh, yeah. Oh, this on the wall. Egg pink. The mosaic?
Yeah.
Oh.
And then using egg.
Using egg?
Egg shell.
Ah, okay. My wife taking the stairs slowly.
As these acorns are being shed and dropped on the ground, here is a feast for an animal that's so
Oh, tree painting.
very important part of the ecosystem. And goes to the animals. They love it.
Hey guys. So, second day in Solvang. We're pretty much done for the day. We're gonna have to go to bed soon because we're gonna have to wake up like 3 in the morning to go to a Big Bear. It's about a 5-hour trip tomorrow. The Big Bear. We're only there for a night. I think so far everything was pretty fun today. I like the ostriches and emus a lot. We've had quite a bit of food today. And then I think everyone's kind of getting tired, so now everyone's off to bed. We still have to pack and get ready for tomorrow, but it should be good tomorrow. And then after that, that's the end of our trip after a Big Bear tomorrow. Or I should say, Sunday morning, that's the end of our trip, and then we head back down. And then I don't know what our next big trip will be besides my family reunion, which is still on the fence. I might record, might not. We'll see how I feel by then, but that's a ways away. And then we also have Nathaniel's birth soon in May. So that's a big one. But thank you for watching our videos today, and then please follow us for more, I guess, of our vlog, Precious Memories, or at Precious Memories US. Also, thank you for watching, and like and subscribe. We'll catch you later. Wife's in the bathroom, by the way. If you don't see her in the room, she's in the bathroom. But catch you guys later. Bye.